subject Value Education Standard First. Hello students, my name is Mrinal More and the topic for today is I love my country. Do you all love your country? Yes, very good. I also love my country very much. So, in our today's lesson, we are going to hear a story. You all love to hear a story, yes or no? Yes. So let's begin. The name of our today's story is I Want a Gun. What's the name of our today's story? I Want a Gun. Before we begin with the story, here's a picture. Just observe the picture and tell me what can you see in the picture? Yes, very good. A boy pointing towards the toys and a man sitting on the chair with newspaper. Very good. So this picture is related to a story. In a story also we have a boy and a man. Okay. Now let's begin with the story. Bang, bang, bang. Little Sanket had a stick in his hand and he was aiming it at a row of toy soldiers. Bang, bang, he shouted. Now, this is the boy in a story. His name is Sanket. And what is he doing? He is pointing. Aiming means pointing towards the toy soldiers. He has these toy soldiers and he is taking a stick and aiming at them, pointing at them and shouting bang, bang, bang. Now let's see why he is doing that. Okay? Daddy came out. What are you doing, Sanket? He asked. Now, after listening to that sound, bang, bang, what happened? Daddy came out and he asked Sanket, what are you doing? I am shooting the enemy with my gun, Daddy. What Sanket answered? That I am shooting the enemy with my gun. I want to be a soldier. I want to wear a smart uniform and put medals on my coat. I want to carry a gun and march left, right. Here you can see this soldiers marching left, right. So, Sanket also wanted to be a soldier. He wanted to wear a smart uniform, put medals on his uniform, have a gun and march left, right. His dream was to be a soldier. Okay? Do you know what soldiers do, Sanket? Asked Daddy. Of course I know. They are very brave and they fight for our country to keep it safe. Daddy, please buy me a gun for my birthday present. I want to practice how to be a soldier. Now, why Sanket was doing bang bang and pointing towards the toy soldiers? Because he wanted to be a soldier and he wants to practice how to be a soldier. So what he did, he told his father to gift him a gun. So this is a story, I want a gun. Now let's see the new words from a story. The first new word is soldier. Here you can see the picture of a soldier. This is how a soldier looks. And he always protect us and keep us safe. Okay. Next word is gun. Here you can see this is the picture of a gun. Now there are many different types of gun. But soldiers mostly use this types of guns. A third word is marching. Here you can see the soldiers are marching left, right. This is called as marching. Okay. We heard the story. Now let's see why loving your country is important. Some kids wanted to be a soldier. Some want to be pilots, police, teacher, nurse or doctor. You can become anything you want. You can fight for your country or work for your country or play cricket for your country. But first you must study hard and learn a lot of things. Then when you grow up, you can become what you want to be. Now in the story we saw Sanket wanted to be a soldier. Not necessarily everyone will want to be a soldier, but some other students want to be pilot, some want to be police, teacher, and there are many such options. You can become whatever you want to be, but for that it is very necessary that you study well. So what you should do now? You should study well, learn many new things, lot of things you should learn, and then when you grow up you should think what you want to become, or now also you can think what you have to become, and you can study very hard for it, and then you can become whatever you want to be in life. Okay. Now here is fill in the blanks from a lesson. So dash is my country. What's your country? What is the name of a country? Yes, very good. India. India is my country. I am an dash. What will be the answer? Yes, Indian. I am an Indian. Third is I am dash to be an Indian. What are you to be an Indian? Very good. Proud. I am proud to be an Indian. And fourth one is I love all the dash of my country. Whom you love? Yes, people. I love all the people of my country. Very good. Now, here is the next activity for you. Match the following. So you have to match the following correctly. So first is I love. What you love? Yes, my country. I love my country. Second, I salute. What we salute? The flag. Very good. We salute our flag. Third is I respect the leaders of my country. Very good. We should respect, and we all respect the leaders of our country. I obey the rules of my country. We obey now, you all, we all obey the rules of our country. Next is I stand straight. When we stand straight, yes, when we sing Janagana Mana. I feel happy. When we feel happy, when India wins in a sport. Very good. Seventh is I study well. Why you study well? To learn good things. Very good. When I grow up, I will serve my country. Okay? Very good. Now, let's see our homework for today. So, your homework for today's class is write 5 lines on the given topic. So, you have to write five lines on the given topic. 2 topics are given to you. What are the 2 topics? National bird and national animal. Do you know which is a national bird? Yes. Very good. Which is a national bird? Yes, peacock is a national bird. So you have to write 5 lines about peacock. And which is a national animal? Tiger. Yes, so you have to write 5 lines about the tiger. And second is draw and color the following. So what you have to draw? National flag and national flower. So all of you know a national flag and national flower. So you have to draw and color it. Okay? Thank you. I hope everyone will complete your homework. And if you have liked today's lesson and story, please subscribe to our channel to listen to such interesting stories daily. And don't forget to press the bell icon.